Hello, and welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what a beat is and how it relates to the music we make. Have you ever found yourself unconsciously tapping your foot along to a song? That pulse you're feeling is what musicians like to call a beat. Much like the ticking of a clock or the thumping of a heart, the beat flows consistently through a song, making it come alive. While there might be countless rhythms in a song, some fast, some slow, they all relate back to that central beat. Think of the beat as the grid for music, a framework where notes find their place. In musical terms, we often calculate this in bars or measures, which are defined by a set number of beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat. The speed of these beats is what creates the song's tempo. Quick beats give you energetic tracks, while slow beats might help you build a backdrop for a calm evening. When musicians play together, the beat is their anchor, their unspoken guide, ensuring everyone plays in time. But it's more than just rhythm. The beat can be an emotional driver. It can stir feelings or create tension. Listen to any song and tap along. Even if the harmonies or the melodies change, you'll find the beat remains, guiding you from the song's start to its finish. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.